Frightening flaps, intermediate Halloween tap dance. That's what we're going to learn in this video. Be sure to watch all the way to the end so you can learn how to stream the song we're going to use for free and how to get our big Halloween pack for just $1. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Before we jump in and start learning it, let's take a look at the whole dance. Well, there you have it. Let's jump in. Starting with the left foot, you have stomp, stamp, shuffle, shuffle, step, step, clap. I'm going to do that again. 6, ready, go. Stomp, stamp, shuffle, shuffle, step, step, clap. Let's put some counts. Ready, go. 1 and 2, E, a 3 and 4 and, followed by dig, dig, step, step, flap, hold, heel, 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 heel. Again, that was dig, dig, step, step, flap, hold, heel, 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 heel. Take it from top with the count. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, E, a 3 and 4 and 5, E, a 6 and a 80 and a. And again. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, E, a 3 and 4 and 5, E, a 6 and a 80 and a. From there, step, clap, heel, step, clap, heel, cramp, roll, round, 6, 7, 80, and a 1. I'm going to show that again. That was step, clap, heel, cramp, roll. Then I'm going to touch my foot and do a rond de jambe. So touch around, clap, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. And that's 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. And there'll be an accent on the music when we clap. They might even say clap, I'm not 100% sure, but I know there's an accent there. Let's take it from top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, E, a 3 and 4 and 5, E, a 6 and a 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 80 and a 1. Beautiful, let's do that again and push the speed up just a little bit. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, E, a 3 and 4 and 5, E, a 6 and a 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 80 and a 1. So that's 1, grapevine, grapevine, stamp, grapevine, grapevine. So I'm going to go from the 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a E and 3 and a E and again. 6, 5, 6, 80 and a 1. Grapevine, grapevine, stamp, grapevine, grapevine. From here, stamp, shuffle, heel, up, step, step. That's stamp, shuffle, heel, stand, step, step. 5 and a 60 and a 8 and. Let's go from the stamp, grapevine, grapevine. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and stamp, grapevine, grapevine, stamp, grapevine, grapevine, stamp, shuffle, heel, up, step, step. I'll do that again. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, and stamp, grapevine, grapevine, stamp, grapevine, grapevine, stamp, shuffle, heel, up, step, step. From there, left foot's free. Dig, toe, scuff, heel, stamp, dig, toe, scuff, heel, stamp. 5, 6, 7, and dig, toe, scuff, heel, stamp. Dig, toe, scuff, heel, stamp. Good. Let's go back from top and connect all that together. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, E, a 3 and 4 and 5, E, a 6 and a 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 40 and 5, 6, 7, 80 and a 1 and a E and 3 and a E and 5, E and a 60 and a 8 and 1 and a E and 3 and a E and drag, heel, 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 jump, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels. I'm going to show that again. That was drag, heel, 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 jump. Heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels. The music's weird here. We're going to finish out an 8 count, and then we're just going to have a 2 count. All right? Blame it on AI. It made it. I don't know why, but that's how it made it. So I'm going to do it from the drag, which comes in on count 5, because the part before, 1 and a, E and 3 and a, E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and. So we're ending on the and of 2. I'm going to do that all again from that same spot. Dig, toe scuff, heel stamp. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7 and dig, toe scuff, heel stamp. Dig, toe scuff, heel stamp. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and those heels toes are going to make sense with the music. They are easy, so enjoy that aspect of them, but they're going to go right with the music for that. All right, let's connect this back from the top through everything you know. Good luck. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 E, a 3 and 4 and 5 E, a 6 and a 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and 5, 6, 7, 80 and a 1 and a E and 3 and a E and 5 E and a 6 E and a 8 and 1 and a E and 3 and a E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and. Beautiful, my friends. We're going to do that one more time. Then we'll put on some music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 E, a 3 and 4 and 5 E, a 6 and a 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and 5, 6, 7, 80 and a 1 and a E and 3 and a E and 5 E and a 6 E and a 8 and 1 and a E and 3 and a E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and. Beautiful. The song we're tapping to is called Frightening Flaps. Was created with AI. I did a little bit of tweaks, but AI did most of the work. And again, if you want to stream that, you can get that access to that at the link down below. So we're going to start at 16 seconds into the song, and then we're going to start also at 10% under. So let's give that a try. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Literally anything you write helps us a ton. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now let's get back to it. And 5, 6, ready, go. It takes a minute just to get the hang of it, get the feel for it. Roll it again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Let's roll that a little faster, up at minus 5%. About a 5% jump. And we'll give it another shot. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey!
Those frightening flaps with ghostly rhythms in the air. Rips that
figured out a good time at that faster speed. Let's keep it the same for now. One more time at -5, and then we'll do real do. All right, one more time, -5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey! I'm going to boost it. Another 5% boost. You got this, my friends. Have some fun. Rock it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. I'm just having fun with the arms. You don't have to follow me. I'm just doing whatever I feel like. Let's roll it again at the real speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Yeah. My friends, let's hit it one more time at the real deal. Make it your best run yet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. One more time, facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. Well, there you have it. That is the first half of the Frightening Flaps Halloween tap dance. If you want to stream the music for free, there's a link down below, and I'll try to put one up here, but for sure there'll be a link down below. And at that same link, you can learn how to get our Halloween tap pack for just $1. That's going to allow you to download this song. It's going to give you written notes with counts for this combination, and it'll be where you can learn the full combination. As you saw, you only learned the first half. You'll be able to learn the second half. And you're going to get additional combinations with the music for those and the notes for those. So it's a ton of great content for just $1. Again, that link down below, or if I can get it up here, I'll put it up there. All right, thanks so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.